Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how can you earn money with no previous required knowledge. Basically no coding, no connections, no anything, no college, of course, guys. So please listen to me carefully, stay tuned, and watch out every single possible step that I'm going to show you right now. I'm all aware, we all heard about Instagram, right guys? Great pictures and everything, but also great product placement platform, great amazing marketing platform, and so on, influencer platform, guys. But sometimes maybe you have noticed when you search for a certain name, certain brand or something, you can see that plenty of those familiar faces of brands does not have clear name, guys. When I say clear, I mean they do not have just letters. If the name is, for example, Michael, then you will see Michael with 2-3 L's with couple of lines, guys, or something like that, spaces, of course. So what are we going to talk about here, guys? As I mentioned, you do not need any previous knowledge. It works from anywhere in the world. All you need is good negotiation skills, guys, and persistency, of course, discipline. So right here, you can check it out. For example, I'm a huge soccer fan, guys, and this is a great Instagram page, 658,000 followers. Really amazing, really decent. But what is something that you can notice, guys, right here that you can actually check out for yourself that is so clean, so beautiful, like the beautiful game? Take a look at the name, guys. Goal. 4 letters. It's all it takes, basically. So yeah, this is this username right here, guys, is pretty expensive. Trust me. So I just want to show you something. For example, guys, we're gonna search out here, guys, for let's just say we like luxury. So why not luxury? Let's see right here. Take a look at the huge variety of luxury mascots, luxury right here, luxury this, luxury that, guys, luxury this and that. There is only one account with luxury in it. So it's a specific name, specific combination of letters, guys. We have to watch it like a specific combination of letters, guys, because for Instagram, if it said luxury or YX3Z or something, it's the same for Instagram. It's right here, 6 characters, and that's also 6 characters. But this right here is more expensive than a random one. So luxury here, guys, you can see it's pretty expensive. For example, we can also search for example F4 right here, F4, F5, why not? Let's take a look at this right here. Take a look at the amount of names, guys, that contain that, but there's only one F5. 2 characters. This is extremely expensive username, guys, and you can check it out. It has 1.3, almost 1.4 thousand followers. It's a private account, so United Arab Emirates or something like that, guys. I think this is something that you can work for. You need to find accounts like this with 1. That's amazing. With 2, 3, or 4 characters, guys. Find the username, send to your offer to the person, and then just wait for the response, guys, and maybe offer them $50, $100, $200, and then you can sell it for 3, 4, 5, or even more hundreds of dollars, guys, and you can really earn some amazing amount of profit. So this is an example of one marketplace, guys, one perfect marketplace, guys, for you. You can check it out. Darko store right here, 2.1 thousand subscribers. Not a huge community, but it's enough. I mean, the marketplace is not that big, guys, of course, but what you need to do, you need to find small accounts, guys, with 1, I think that's impossible right now, 2, 3, or 4 characters, of course, with a low amount of subscribers, guys. Make them an offer of 50, 100, 200. I will show it to you how the prices are going. So once you made an offer, guys, do some negotiation and you're good to go. You can really make some decent amount of profit because not plenty of people knows about it. Not plenty of people knows how valuable their usernames are. So right here you can see, guys, for example, Instagram insane 4-letter username PUMB, current offer $180, guys. Up here you can scroll and see, for example, 3 letters, 4 letters, guys, from $750 right here. We can check it out. 600, 575, guys. You can see 575 right here, 600, 400 out here. You can check it out. Also, something that is extremely important and interesting right here. Instagram insane 1C username. Right here we can see space star bin $9.5 thousand. Yes, you heard me well, guys. This is something incredible. Imagine a guy who just doesn't know that, who made an Instagram account, guys, 10 years ago, and he put this like a star, space and star, whatever. And then he receives an offer from you for $500. Of course I'm gonna take it. What do I need this for? This is an old Instagram. I don't post any pictures, something like that. I don't have any followers. Yeah, $500. PayPal me, guys, we are good to go. You bought this for $500, then you're selling it for $9,500. I think that's a good business. That's really a decent, good business, guys. And up here, you can check it out. Instagram Insane Final username, guys. Check this out. Prestige $8,000 right here. So what do you say, guys? Let's check it out right here. We said Prestige $8,000. So yep, Prestige is here. This is it, guys. 6,000 followers. In my opinion, professional, humble opinion, it's just because of the username. So you can check it out. Right here, guys, you can see amazing stuff out here, guys. I mean, those are some nice pictures, but I think the person behind this account just does not know the value of its username, guys. And it definitely didn't take advantage of that if it in total, because it has just, as I said, 6.1 thousand followers. So think about it. This is it. I mean, 6,000 followers is nothing in today's world, guys, in today's follower accounts and something like that. Find small accounts. As I said, guys, find small accounts and then make them an offer, do some negotiation, be persistent, be disciplined, guys, and we'll find your money pots, basically, or honey pots, guys, right here, because you can check it out in search bar. As I said, 2, 3, or 4 letters, characters, whatever, guys. Just type it in, find some small accounts, guys, negotiate and get some amazing profits. So check it out and let me know in the sections, in comment section, guys, did it work for you? Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.